Payday hits and suddenly you're feeling rich, but blink once and poof, it's gone. Ever wonder why your money disappears faster than your will to hit the gym on a Monday? In this video, we are breaking down 5 smart things to do on a payday to stop that cycle and start building real financial freedom. Number 1. Essentials. Before you even think about spending, take care of the essentials. Think of these as your survival expenses. That includes rent, utility bills, groceries, and any EMIs or loan payments that you have. These are non-negotiable. Set up auto pay where you can. It removes the temptation to delay and helps you avoid late fees and penalties. The focus needs to be especially on credit card payments to be done in full to avoid any interest penalties. Next up, your emergency fund. This is your financial safety net, and it's more important than you think. This acts as a cushion for unexpected expenses like medical emergencies, car repairs, or even a job loss. If you lose your job, the emergency fund acts as a buffer while you search for new employment. Knowing that you have enough saved for several months' worth of living expenses can reduce anxiety, allowing you to make better, more rational decisions. Aim to put aside at least 10% of your income towards this fund until you have achieved 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Park this money in a high-yield savings account or a liquid fund, somewhere that's safe, earns a little interest, and can be accessed quickly in a pinch. Number 3. Employer benefits. If you work a full-time job, your paycheck could be hiding a secret weapon, employer benefits. First, look at your 401k, which is a retirement account, especially if your employer offers a match. That's basically free money. Don't leave it on the table. Got an employee stock purchase plan ESPP? Learn how it works. Many companies offer discounted stock prices that can turn into serious returns if you play it smart and understand the rules. Also check out other perks like health saving account, HSAs, commuter benefits, or even learning stipends. These aren't just bonuses, they are tools to stretch your paycheck further. If you're unsure about these benefits, set a reminder to check in with the HR. A 15-minute conversation could lead to thousands in savings over time. Next up, investing. Now that your basics are covered, it's time to grow your money. One of the smartest ways to start is through SIPs or systematic investment plans into mutual funds, index funds, or my favorite, ETFs. You're basically investing a fixed amount every month into historically well-performing ETFs automatically without thinking too much about what to buy and how much to put. It's beginner-friendly, low maintenance, and you benefit from something called dollar cost averaging, which helps to reduce the risk over time. The key word here is consistency. Start small. Even $50 or $100 a month adds up. The earlier you start, the more compound interest works in your favor. And here's the kicker. The markets will rise and fall, but if you stay consistent, the long-term gains are real. And last but not the least, learning. The most important investment you can make is in yourself. Use a portion of your paycheck to level up your skills. That could be online courses to boost your career, tools to launch a side hustle, or even just learning how to manage money better. I'm learning so many skills from my own YouTube journey like video editing, voiceovers, which I never thought I would like to do in life. Think about it. Every new skill you learn increases your earning potential. Over time, this builds confidence, competence, and cash flow. So, there you have it. 5 powerful things you can do every payday. It's not about being rich today. It's about building a life where money works for you and not the other way around. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment and let me know which of these do you already do. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.